Hey there, kids. Imagine a jungle full of amazing animals. Right in the middle of that jungle stood a mighty old tree. This tree wasn't just any tree, it was home to countless birds, a cozy spot for monkeys to swing from, and a playground for squirrels. Every creature loved this tree, and it was their best friend. One sunny morning, while a little bird was resting on the tree, something terrible happened. A woodcutter showed up, ready to chop down their precious tree. The tree shivered in fear. But guess what? Our brave little bird had a plan. The bird flew as fast as it could, chirping loudly to gather everyone. "Help! Help! Our tree is in danger!" Hearing this, the monkeys swung through the branches, the parrots squawked loudly, and the squirrels scurried across the forest floor. Soon all the animals gathered around the tree. When the woodcutter saw so many animals standing together, he was amazed and a little scared. The monkeys chattered, the birds flapped their wings, and the squirrels stood tall, showing that they wouldn't let their friend be harmed. The woodcutter realized how important this tree was to the jungle and decided to leave. He walked away, carrying his axe. The tree sighed in relief. "Thank you, my friends," it said. "You've saved me." Every animal cheered. They knew they could always count on each other, and they promised to protect their jungle home forever. So kids, remember, teamwork and friendship can overcome any challenge. And that's how the jungle friends saved their home. See you next time for another exciting adventure.